Okay, you guys, this is me sharing another update on the balcony garden. I am showing the mystery plant, which was the morning glory, and now I'm sharing. I hopefully think that this plant here, those green leaves, is an what do you call it? A bell pepper plant. It got pretty big. Then I'm moving on over to the what is it? What is it? What is it? Elephant, spider. Oh, that's the avocado. It's sitting over there out the way so I could walk by. Then I'm sharing my Cosmo plant. It got more flowers on it. Look at the beautiful purple flowers. It even got an orange one coming along. And up here, my little plant is flowering. This is the first time this plant has ever had a flower on it, and it's gorgeous. It's very powdery white, like a snowy white. It is gorgeous. I know I got too close up on it, but it is looks like stars, and it has little tiny little balls of white little fluffiness. Now I'm going over here sharing my little plant, my little succulent. That's my little turtle helping me take care of my garden. Hi, little turtle. Love you so much. Thanks for being a part of my family. Now I'm showing my little succulent plants. And there go the sunflower. I don't know if it's gonna dry into sunflower seeds. I think it got damaged. And a whole bunch of other plants didn't survive. Now this plant is called a geranium. I couldn't think of that name for nothing in my last video. And it had the sunflower plant in it, which I'm gonna take it out. Now I'm just going around just sharing what's going on the balcony. There go my cactus plant, still alive. It just getting long and narrow. It was fat and round, now it's long and narrow. But here's my cosmos again. Beautiful cosmos flowers. I love these blooms. I love it, love it, love it. Spring is gonna be here. I think March the something. But the weather out here in Southern California is gonna be a little cooler next week. It was pretty hot the other day. Here you can see my pot where I think those are more bell pepper plants. I don't know. It looks like bell pepper plants, but it's a mystery plant sitting in the pot with the what is it? No, I don't know if those are bell pepper, but hopefully they will. That's a mystery plant because I'm not sure. But now this plant here, I don't know if that's greens or what. Look at that thick stalk on it. It has a very thick stalk. So I don't know what the heck it's gonna be, but it looked like some greens. I don't know if it's a weed, so that's a mystery plant too, because I have never seen a weed with such a thick stalk on it. You guys, any of you talented plant growing, care, loving about plants people, can recognize this weed or plant. Let me know in the comments. Then you see my little elephant plant right there. Plenty of those calico. My calico got some flowers. This is another Cosmo plant here. It did have some little yellow star looking flowers on it. The bad weather here in Southern California a few weeks ago, it tore that plant up, and it pretty well washed the balcony floor off. Now these plants, this is a calico, and that is a jade plant there. This other plant I'm trying to share with you guys, that's the devil's ivy. Excuse me for coughing. That's the devil's ivy that I'm getting close up on. I want to show you guys how full it has gotten. Then this is my meringue. I don't know, I forgot the name of this plant. Oh, and then here's my jade. It's flowered, but let me take you over to the calico. It started to flower. It always flowers in the wintertime, the calicoli. Beautiful pink, dancing, beautiful. There goes a bee right there, see it? It got tangled up in the leaves. It's supposed to spin around when it's windy. But okay, I'm back up on this bell pepper plant. If you guys recognize these leaves, let me know if you think this is a bell pepper plant, because I am truly not sure. I hope it is, because I would love to grow some bell peppers. Now here I'm back on my jade plant sharing with you guys. It's flowering. This is the first time I believe I have ever seen this plant flower. And look at those beautiful pinkish blush little tiny flowers growing on it. These flowers grow, these plants flower when they feel like it. It probably, that rain, all that good rain probably encouraged it to flower, because it never flowered for me with the regular water. But it loved the rainwater, so it flowered. How about that? Look at it. I need to refresh the dirt in a lot of my plants. I really, really do. Now this is my green onion plant, which I need to do some maintenance on, because a lot of the leaves are droopy, falling over, and they have just lost their stigma, I guess. They just limp. They need cutting. I need to cut that off. I'll taste it, see if I want to keep it to put in some food. Now this plant I'm holding up, that's a banana plant. It's a blue something. I forgot the whole full name. It's just so strange how all my plants, I knew their name once before, huh? But I have forgotten the name. I'm going to have to write stuff, do like my friend Susie. She has a book, a wonderful book. She writes down all her gardening experiences, successes, and all that goes on in her garden. I need a book. I do got a book. You guys know what? I done forgot that quick. I do have a diary. I don't know where it's at. I got to find it. I was supposed to have been writing in there since the first time I started using it. And I slacked, and I mean slack bad. Cause, okay, here goes another mystery plant. This I thought was, what do you call it? That purple flower. I can't think of the name now. But if you guys, any of you smart plant growers can recognize this plant, let me know in the comments what you think it is. And that's the avocado. I need to transplant. I mean, not transplant. I need to okay, that's my marigold. It's getting some few blooms on it. You can see the new little blooms. Dang, it looks pretty bad. I need to clean that area when I get my little strength. Oh yeah, see the more little flowers about to open up on it. It needs some maintenance. Look at that dead root right there. I need to get that off of there. Here goes the Cosmo and the jade. Oh, hello, Cosmo, you beautiful little flower, you. But you guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I just had to come and share it, do something. I want to do more, but I do as much as I can, because you know I'm just trying to get over that virus. It's lingering, left some of it effects on my body. Okay, y'all. Talk to you guys later. Thank you for all the support.